The value of a man has been reduced to his immediate identity and nearest possibility, to a vote, to a thing, or a number. These are the last words of Rohit Vemula, a PhD scholar from Hyderabad University who committed suicide on Sunday. Rohit and 4 others were on the suspension notice of the Central University in Hyderabad, an action prompted by on the advice of Union Central Minister Bandaru Dattatreya, claims the students.
वो टाइम में मैंने ABVP लोग आकर एक रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिया, उसी रिप्रेजेंटेशन को मैंने मिनिस्ट्री को फॉरवर्ड किया. उन्होंने क्या कार्रवाई किया मुझे पता नहीं.
The two proctoral reports 19 days apart, but the final conclusion couldn't have been more far apart. While the August 12th report says that dismisses any assault on the ABVP leader, but the final August 31st report says that the ABVP leader was manhandled and physically abused. The first report says that students should be left off with a light recommendation, while a warning to ABVP and ISA leaders, while the final report has led to suspension of only ASA students.
These are all the students of Tata Institute of Social Sciences who have been, mourning the tragic death of Rohit Vemula, who was a PhD scholar. And these are some of the students saying that, there have been other reasons, which is why he had to end his life, and therefore his suicide should be investigated thoroughly.
Water cannon being used on these protesters so that they're not allowed to move. They are saying they wanted to protest right till the Ministry of HRD. They say that they want to go and complain to the HRD Minister Smriti Irani against the kind of decision which has been taken by the University of Hyderabad.
We have sent a 2-member team. They shall give me a report. It is very easy to politic at this particular situation.
As the political blame game over the death of a 25-year-old student's life in Hyderabad University rages on, what can't be forgotten is that a life has been cut short due to politics in campuses. While the actions of the university have come under scanner, what is highlighted the fact that Rohit Vemula, a PhD scholar's life, had been cut short due to politics, which is raging across the country in India. With video journalist Kiran Kumar for Times Now, this is Imran Khan.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.